What if I was to tell you that there is a way for you to create AI agents with a single platform with no code required, and that it is so easy that a 10-year-old can create a highly sophisticated agent in minutes? It's one of the easiest and best AI agent builders that's out there. And this is where I would like to introduce Toolhouse, which is also today's video sponsor. Toolhouse is basically a backend as a service for AI developers and regular AI users. It gives you everything you need to build AI agents, give them tools like sending emails, scraping data, or running code, and you can even add knowledge with RAG, deploy instantly, all without dealing with complicated setups. So whether you're a developer, hacker, or full-on vibe coder, this is a personal platform that is built for you. For example, take a look at this demo. One of the devs at Toolhouse spoke to an agent builder using his own voice to create an AI agent that automates Google services, like scraping news topics, inputting them into a Google Doc, summarizing the content, and then sending an email to the recipient using Google. This AI agent was able to orchestrate all of these different tools and literally created with the dev's voice. And you can clearly see that it automated a task in legit a few minutes, which was super easy, saving him time scraping content and summarizing it into emails. This removes all the backend complexity for AI apps. And this is what you can do with Toolhouse, the all-in-one backend for AI agents. And I personally believe it's the easiest way for you to create AI agents using different tools that they have, like their CLI. You also have the ability to use RAG, where you can upload docs and have the agents get the knowledge instantly. You can even use their MCP server hookup, which is a way for you to give agent abilities like email scraping directly to other agents, and you can even use their agent builder or their studio, which is a way for you to use their no code platform to build agents. At the end, you have the ability to build powerful AI agents with multiple tools, knowledge, and API endpoints better than any other AI agent platform. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. To get started, it is super simple. Just click on Start Building and create an account. This is where you can easily create an account with your Google or GitHub account. And once you have created an account, you're going to be then sent over to the main dashboard of Toolhouse. This is the homepage where you can essentially just simply type in plain natural language to build out an agent, and it will set it up for you quite easily and autonomously. You can also use your voice to create AI agents in Toolhouse using Vibra. So you can essentially talk to the Toolhouse agent. You can essentially tell it in natural language as you speak.
Hey, let's build an agent. Got an idea?
Yep. Can you create me a deep research agent for me?
Love it. What kind of research should it focus on?
Finding new information about large language models.
Nice. Should it run on a schedule or only on demand?
Yep. Every single day at 9 a.m. So you can see as it's actually processing my query, it is using all the tools that Toolhouse has to configure that agent.
Your agent is live and scheduled daily at 9 a.m. your time. You'll see the testing workbench in a few seconds. Here's your first draft. Give it a go. We can keep improving it together. Let me know what you think after you try it, and we'll make it even more awesome. We could also refine sources it prioritizes or make it email you automatically.
And as you saw, I simply just used my voice to have Toolhouse actually focus on creating the entire pipeline for me. You're able to test out the workbench, and this way you can get a better understanding of what the agent is capable of doing. This is where I sent in the user query to conduct today's deep research on large language models, and it is going to use all the different integrations and tools to execute this task. You don't touch infrastructure. This is something that builds out the full agent logic. And that's what I mean. It's able to fully create all of these different agents for you autonomously. And you can see that we have a lot of information being outputted, like the new Claude Mythos, the sources as well being provided. Something quickly to note when you're using the voice mode, you also have the ability to use the keyboard as well. So just keep that in mind. You also have the ability to upload files and interact with the agent with this chat panel as well. And remember, if you want to make something better a part of this agent, like if you do not like the output quality. You can actually make a change and you can tell it that I want to specifically change a certain output, but I personally like what it has generated. And now it is something that I can readily access anytime I am looking to use this deep research agent that I just created. This is an agent that you can even access through a chatbot and share it around so that others can access through this link that you are providing. Something that I also want to note is that there are ready made templates for you to easily use to automate specific functions like invoice processing. Now, if you want to enhance the capability of your agent, for example, like in my case, I have it right now on a schedule where every single day at 9 a.m., it is going to query the agent to process a deep research on new daily large language model information. But say if I want to extend the capability of this agent, like have it so that it is able to email me every single day on this briefing that it has created. What I can do is invoke an integration to process that agent's briefing through Gmail, for example. This is where you have the ability to add in various sorts of integrations to enhance the capability of your language model even further. You can see that in my case, I want to enable Gmail to actually send me an email every single day of that daily brief. And this way, I can automate a specific function like that quite easily by simply adding in this integration. So now I can go back to my daily large language model deep research agent. I can click on edit agent. And now what I can do is within integrations, I can add in a new integration. This is where I have connected my Gmail integration. So I can search up Gmail. And what I can do is add in any of these different functions like listing filters or having it so that I am able to send an email. So I'm going to select this specific one and I am going to save it. Then within the system prompt, I'm going to specify to send me an email and I'm going to have it send that briefing to this specific email. Now, one thing that I also want to mention is that you have the ability to have it accessed through an API so that you can essentially have it integrated within your application. Another thing you can do is have it vibe coded within your application, which is also pretty interesting because if you also click this button where I can copy the prompt and then I can open up Lovable and now I can simply just paste in this exact same prompt that will use that specific Toolhouse agent that we had just built. So I can then send in this prompt. Now Lovable will essentially build out this full on agent interface using the Toolhouse agent. And there you go. Just like that, it has built the chat interface that is now powered by Toolhouse. And I can chat with it. I can say, conduct a new research on new LLMs, and it is going to be able to now execute this task for me. And just like that, the Toolhouse agent was something that outputted this, the executive summary of all the new model releases, and it also provides all the sources. Something you can also do is add in agent files for the agent to manage with these different individual files. But that is a gist of how you can easily configure the agent. But now let's actually test this out. Now, if I'm to check my email, I have gotten the daily LLM intelligence brief, which gives me a summary of the new model releases like the Anthropic Glasswing project, which introduces Mythos. You also have a couple of other things like Spud, as well as all the sources listed out too. So this is actually pretty interesting how fast I was able to automate this task with essentially my voice. Something to also note is that you can manage all your auth connections over here. So if you want to revoke access to a certain integration, you can do so over here. And you can also manage all your individual logs to get a better understanding of what is happening in the background. Now, what I'm going to be also doing is showcasing how you can create an AI agent that reads my private documents, summarizes insights, and then emails me the results automatically. And this is using the CLI that Toolhouse provides. What we're going to need to do is first install this Toolhouse CLI. So we're going to open up our command prompt and then we're going to paste in this command. And I'll leave all these links in the description below. Then what we're going to do is run this command first, which is the th login to set up Toolhouse. Then what we got to do is create your th file. And this is where you need to create the agent file of whatever agent you're trying to create. You can give it whatever name you want, but what I'm going to be doing is creating a RAG knowledge base agent. So we can open up our command prompt and then what we can type in is new doc agent. Now, if you are to use the run command, you can test out the agent with the name of the agent you have created, and you can essentially deploy it once you have readily made it functional by adding in the functionality. But this is obviously a more developer focused method of using Toolhouse within the CLI. But if you want to make it easier so that you can essentially have a coding agent work with Toolhouse to configure your agents, you can use a custom MCP server integration using Smithery, Zapier, or Pipedream. And they have a step by step guide as to how you can set this up. This is a bit more complicated, but it'll make you use the CLI and a developer focused method easier. What I'm going to do is use the CLI myself to essentially create and configure my agent. What I'm going to do now is add different notes, and this is where I'm going to give it private knowledge of my files so that the agent can actually reason over my documents. Now, you can clearly see that I have specified this PDF and I have added it to my agent. And now you can essentially access this agent that is able to perform RAG on my private files. Now, all we got to do is just deploy my agent. So in this case, we can use the th deploy command and then go back into the command prompt and then paste in this command. And just like that, it has been deployed. And you have two different options to perform RAG now with this new agent that we have created. You can use this agent within the browser using the th open command, where you can open it up in your browser to test it out. So I can simply go ahead and run this command, or you have the capability to test it out through an API. And this is the new creative writer or RAG agent that we had just created using the CLI. So let's test this out. I simply just asked it what this PDF is about, and it is telling me the PDF is about the YouTube channel in the world of AI. And this is a super simple RAG agent that I built through the CLI. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. And that's how you can easily build AI agents using Toolhouse. This is where, as you saw from my examples, you can fully create a whole pipeline in minutes, whether that is integrating it through a live API endpoint or just simply using the dashboard to create the AI agent or even using my CLI. This is where you can go in just minutes using Toolhouse to create a full agent pipeline that can automate anything, and it completely removes the backend complexity and lets you focus actually on building useful AI systems. This is something that I highly recommend that you take a look at, as you can get started completely for free. And I'll leave all these links that I use in today's video in the description below. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at the second channel, join the newsletter, the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.